Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a software that can help you to auto-scrape leads on Instagram. So this is my software. First we have the account management. This section will help you to add and manage multiple Instagram account. You will use all this Instagram account to do automation marketing and scrape data. To scrape data we can go to scan data section. And here we have many options. Like scan follower of account, you can scan follower of your own account. Or you can scan by the username list. You can scan basically any account follower or following list. I will show you. You will choose one account to scrape. And press start. Set up the number that you want here. Then we'll auto open the browser and we'll go to the account. And then start scraping. There you can see we go to and start scraping the follower. So we have all this data. We can copy username, copy link, copy detail, or we can export it to Excel file. There. And then beside this you can scan account by keyword. Like I will scan account by keyword discount. Maximum will be 50 user. We choose the account and then press start. It will also search for the account based on this keyword and then it will show you the data here. You can export to Excel file. And we can use this data to we can send all to DM, we can to follow. Auto send message. And seeding. And auto like share. There you can see. Next we have the scan article by account. Scan article by keyword. This will show all the article of the username that you want. Scan article by keyword. This is scan account detail, it will show all the detail of your account. This is scanning post detail and this is scanning the account who comment to the post that you want. Like basically I have this post. And I want to target to all the people that comment that post. And I will simply enter the link here. And then I will choose the account. Choose any account that you want and then press start. It will also scraping all the people who comment that post. And I have so many features of this software on my channel you can check. I will leave the link in the description. There with this you can have the massive amount of data on Instagram. Use it for marketing purpose. You can easily target customer, audience with this. So basically that is how you using my software to scraping data on Instagram. If you need more information you can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. And subscribe to the Chung Social Tools channel.